Boy,
15 meters.
I fouled up a bit on my higher Sea Star classification the other day, so I'm a little hesitant to say
range 15 meters, bearing
about what the Sea Star might be.
knots.
Diva's got an amazing list of records of fauna that have been identified from previous Okeanos cruises, and so she might be able to pop up one here.
Just a quick segue from that. The animal guide that I'm looking at, as Chuck was saying, it has been assembled from past expeditions. Unfortunately, this is mostly a Pacific guide because the last 3 years were in the Pacific. But it is available online, so anybody can go and access it via the Okeanos Explorer website, the NOAA Ocean Explorer website, which is www.oceanexplorer.noaa.gov. And have a flick through the various animals that they found in the deep sea last year. And of course, some of the species may not be the same as what we're seeing this year, as in the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic. But many of the high taxa, so genus, family, and so on, will be the same. And so you probably will be able to see similarities with different species.
I'll have to see if I can figure out how to tag an image of that and send it to Chris Ma and
It's
get
almost
a
like
name
you
on
just
it.
got to disable your Z